Sakai, and we are playing Sister Location. The first night, because I had to accidentally
Welcome to the first day of your exciting new career. I will be your personal guide to help you get started. I'm a Model 5 of the Handyman's Robotics and Unit Repair System, but you can call me Hand Unit. Please enter your name as seen above the keypad. This cannot be changed later, so please be careful.
Yay was J. I should make it. Oh, never mind. I'm just gonna click on anything.
It seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. One moment. Welcome, Ex Benedict.
Oh my god, that's stupidest name ever. Oh, can I touch the button? I've already played this before, I don't know why. Why is that speaker like that? Why is that speaker like that? Why can you put it?
You can now open the elevator using that bright, red, and obvious button. Let's get to work.
An obvious button. Okay, let's go.
Allow me to fill this somewhat frightening silence with some light-hearted banter. Due to the massive success, and even more so the unfortunate closing of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, it was clear that the stage was set, no pun intended, for another contender in children's entertainment. Unlike most entertainment venues, now robotic entertainers are rented out for private parties during the day, and it's your job to get the robots back in proper working order before the following morning.
Okay, what are we doing here? Still recording.
Uh-oh. It looks like Ballora doesn't feel like dancing. Let's give her some motivation. Press the red button now to administer a controlled shock. Maybe that will put the spring back in her step. Let's check the light again. Excellent. Ballora is feeling like her old self again and will be ready to perform again tomorrow. Now view the window to your right. This is the Funtime Auditorium, where Funtime Foxy encourages kids to play and share. Try the light. Let's see what Funtime Foxy is up to. Looks like Funtime Foxy is taking the day off. Let's motivate Funtime Foxy with a controlled shock.
Dude, that little thing with the spring head, it looks so creepy when, like, you do a controlled shock.
Let's try another controlled shock.
Can you see it? The thing's so creepy. I don't like it. It's so creepy.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is in perfect working order. Great job. In front of you is another vent shaft. Crawl through it to reach the Circus Gallery control module.
Is that where baby is? Let's see baby. It's all watery. Okay. Let's go through the vent. And yeah. Guys, stop screaming. There's a lot of annoying things.
On the other side of the glass is Circus Baby's auditorium. Let's check the light and see what Baby is up to.
Here's baby.
Looks like a few of the lights are out, but we can fix that later. Let's encourage Baby to cheer up with a controlled shock.
I wish you actually got to see baby. I didn't even control shocker. There we go.
Let's try another controlled shock.
Again. Oh yeah, if you haven't seen what's his name? Mr. El Chapo, you can go check out his channel. I'll put his channel, not the link, I'll put his channel name in the description. He's a pretty good YouTuber as well.
Let's try another controlled shock. Great job, Circus Baby. We knew we could count on you. That concludes your duties for your first night on the job. We don't want you to leave overwhelmed, otherwise you might not come back. Please leave using the vent behind you, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
You might not come back. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's walk through the long vent. So long. Hi. That was me. Oh. Well, I just exit out. Anyway, that was going to be the end of the video, so goodbye. Ugh, I don't know how to exit this. I don't know how to work it.